Hello, great people. Good day. How are you today? It's been a while. I want to show you another opportunity on how to make money online. Stay tuned. All you need to make money is to be a distributor with Spring Global Store. They are with just a little amount, and this amount is the money for the products. When you are able to get two products from them, they will look for customers. They have to do the adverts. They have to get the customer contact for you. You don't have anything to do than when the customers are available to purchase the product, you just deliver to the customer. You get a logistic around you where you are. So the distributor is needed in all over Nigeria, Ogun State, Lagos State, Anambra, Abuja, wherever state you are. Just contact them. Their information is on the subscription button below. And this is the profit. This is your profit on 20 orders. You get 40,000 within 24 hours. Within 24 hours, in a week you get 280,000. In 2 weeks you get 560,000. You can see it's so lovely. On 10 order, you get 20,000 within 24 hours. In a week you get 140,000. In 2 weeks you get 280,000. In a month you get about 1.2 million on order just being a distributor. For this company, you don't have anything to lose. All you need to do is just be a distributor. You make a payment for as low as 5 orders. They have to look for customers for you. They have to send the products to you. Your own is to deliver through the logistic agents in your area, in your state. If you are in Lagos State, if you are in Anambra State, if you are in Abuja, wherever you are, just be one of their distributor. Mind you, they don't need more than 2 distributors in a state. So the earlier, the better. If you have a shop, if you don't have a shop, it can be a distributor from your home. And let me quickly go over the profit margin. Yes, if you are able to distribute 20 order, mind you, they have to look for customers for you, get customers contact and address for you. If you are able to distribute 20 products in a month, that is 1.120 million. If you are able to distribute just 10 in a month continuously like that, you are getting 560,000. If you are able to distribute just 5 in 24 hours, you are able to distribute, if you are able to distribute 5 products in 24 hours, in a month that will give you 280,000. If you are able to only distribute just 5 every 24 hours for a month, it will give you 280,000. This is so sweet and good and easy. In as much you are not looking for customer, you are not looking for contact, they will do Facebook advert on themselves. Their own is when they get a customer, they will refer them to you if the person is from your state, and yours is to contact the logistic agent to do the distribution for you. If you are so smart like me and you are able to distribute 20 order in 24 hours, that is in a day, that 20 order will give you about 40,000 in 24 hours. In a month, that will be 1.120 million, 1,120,000 in a month. This is very simple and easy. So if you are interested, check the description button. You will see the WhatsApp contact. Chat them up, contact them on time. Then you begin the money, you begin to see your money yourself, and then every other process will be will be shared with you. Every other question you can ask them on the WhatsApp group, you can relate, and they are going to give you more information, more detailed information about this. You don't have to waste time. Make money. So make money as a student, make money as a wife, make money as a brother. Wherever you are, whatever you are doing, make money. If you are here to subscribe to this channel, quickly do that now so that you'll be able to get information whenever I post new videos online on how to make money. Click the notification button below, click on the channel and subscribe now, right away. So this year we are going to make money together. This is so real and very authentic, very plain, nothing, no secreting about this. Subscribe to the channel now. The minimum order you can order is five. The minimum order for a distributor is 5. So that is just around 50,000 or thereabout. That is the only thing you need. After that, you don't need any other input. So be a distributor to Spring Global Store. Look at the table, look at the profit table for distributors alone. So join us, subscribe to this channel now. Thank you.